My name's Bernard Kerr, and this is the new Pivot Factory Racing Pits, the expandable trailer for 2026. And we're going to take you for a full tour of it right now. We've got automatic sliding doors. You come in fully air conditioned. Over here, we've got a couple of mechanics areas. This is where the bikes get tuned on and worked on all throughout the week. We've got a kitchen set up here, coffee machine, microwave, coffee for the whole week. The riders sit between these tables we've got set up here. We've got another mechanic mailing working down here, Jay hanging out. We've got riders' lockers in the far corner, Kay working on Dylan on the physio table right now. This is where we come to relax at the end of the day or even between practices. It's this awesome space on the roof. This is where the truck folds out, slides out, whatever you want to call it. And we've got some bar tables and really just an amazing view. Wherever we are, we get to race in the most amazing places in the Alps. And this expandable trailer helps us enjoy it to the absolute max and be the most relaxed and prepared as we can be for the race week ahead.